Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College Pune. Subject Information Technology, Standard 12th Science. Video created and presented by Mr. Nitin Vadgure. Dear students, today we are going to start part 8 of chapter 3 Advanced JavaScript, Standard 12th Science. In our last parts, we have seen the window object. At the very top of the object hierarchy is the window object. Window object is the parent object of all the other objects. Properties and methods of window object. JavaScript event, keyboard event and mouse events, event handler and descriptions. JavaScript built-in objects such as string object, property and methods of string objects, match object, methods of match object, number object, properties of number objects, methods of number object with the examples. Now we are going to start our next built-in object, date object. You can easily handle date and time by using the JavaScript. Date object is used to create date and time values. It is created using new keyword. There are different ways to create new date object. For example, var current date equal to new date, var current date equal to new date, pass the milliseconds, var current date equal to new date, pass date string, var current date equal to new date, mention year, month, day, hours, minutes, seconds and milliseconds. So you can use different formats of date object. Means you can create new date object as per your requirement. Let's see the methods of date object. Get date returns the day of the month from 1 to 31. Second method is get day returns the day of the week from 0 to 6. It starts from Sunday. 0 stands for Sunday. Get full year method. It returns the year, 4 digits year. Next method is get hours. Returns the hours from 0 to 23. Next method is get minutes. Returns the minutes from 0 to 59. Next is get month. Returns the months from 0 to 11. Get seconds method returns the seconds from 0 to 59. Get time method returns the number of milliseconds since midnight January 1 to 1970. Next function is now. It returns the number of milliseconds since midnight Jan 1 1970. Next method is set date. It sets the day of the month of a date object. Next method is set full year. This method sets the full year of a date object. Set hours. This method sets the hours of a date object. Set minutes. Sets the minutes of a date object. Set month method sets the month of a date object. Set seconds. It sets the seconds of a date object. And last method is set time method sets a date to a specified number of milliseconds after or before January 1 1970. So these are the important methods of date object. Now we are going to discuss these methods of date object one by one by using the example. Create this simple structure: doc type HTML head, title, body, close HTML. In body section define script tag, close script tag. Also you have to create one button, so use form object. In between form and close form you have to create button by using input tag, input type equal to button, value equal to date object, on click equal to mention function name d1, close form, close body and close HTML. Here in body tag use one h1 tag, h1 align equal to center, date object. Use script tag, script type equal to text oblique JavaScript. Define one function d1 by using function keyword, function d1. Then body of function contains two variables, declare two variables dt and dt1. Right, in next line dt equal to new date function, means here you have to create new date object dt. Document dot write system date is dt, print the value of dt. Then in next line dt1 equal to dt dot get date function. Document dot write br tag to display the contents in the next line. And last document dot write date is dt1. So here we want to display two values dt and dt1. First dt to display the date and dt1 to display day of the month of the date which is exist in dt object. Just save the program, execute on the browser. You will get this output. You will get heading date object, one button having the caption date object. Click that button. You will get system date is Wednesday, September 23, 2020. It also contains time, and in next line it specifies the 23. Date is 23 because here date is 23. So you will get 23 if you use get date function. Likewise, you can use different variables to hold the different values by using the date functions. Here dt3 variable declare one new variable dt2. In next line write dt2 equal to dt dot get day. In next line document dot write day of the week is dt. Use br tag. Save the program, run on the browser. You will get the button. Click that button. You will get the output. Output shows day of the week is 3. Here Wednesday represents 3. 0 for Sunday, 1 for Monday, 2 for Tuesday and 3 for Wednesday. So day of the week is 3, Wednesday. Declare another new variable dt3. In next line add dt3 equal to dt dot get full year. Then in next line document dot write full year is dt3. Use br tag. Save the program, run on the browser. Click the button. You will get this output. The output contain full year is 2020. It displays full year in 4 digits 2020. Now here the current date is Wednesday, September 23, 2020. So it will display the full year is 2020. Likewise, declare new 3 variables dt4, dt5 and dt6 to hold months, hours and minutes. In next line write dt4 equal to dt dot get month. Document dot write month is dt4. Use br tag. In next line dt5 equal to dt dot get hours. In next line, document.write hours is dt, use br tag. In next line, dt6 equal to dt.get minutes. In next line, document.write minutes are dt6, use br tag. Save the program, execute on the browser. You will get one button. Click on that button. You will get the desired output. The output shows month is 8, hours is 11 and minutes are 50. Here month is 8 because September represent 8. It starts from 0 for January, 1 for February, likewise September for 8 for September. So for September it will show month is 8. Likewise for hours, here 11 is displayed. If you see the time is 11:50, 52. Hours, minutes and seconds. So here 11 is displayed as hours and minutes are 50. After the 11 there is a 50 figure, 11:50:52. Hours, minutes and seconds. So minutes are 50 of the current time. When you type and run this program, you will get different output respective to your system date and time, current system date and current system time. In previous output, minutes are 50, now minutes are 51. So it changed the time and displays the current minutes. Likewise, declare two new variables dt7 and dt8 by using the var keyword. Write dt7 equal to dt.getSeconds to get seconds. Mention document.write seconds are dt7 plus use br tag. In next line, dt8 equal to dt.getTime to get the time. In next line, document.write current system time is dt, use br tag. Save the program, run on the browser. You will get this screen. Click on the button. You will get the output. Now the time is changed, so it shows minutes are 52, seconds are 25 and current system date is in milliseconds. So output will change as per the current date and time. So here we are using the different date methods to get the different outputs respective to current date and time. So students, in this part we have seen the date object and methods of date object by using the example. Next part we will see the array object. An array is an object that can store a collection of items. JavaScript arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable. Also we will discuss about the property of array and methods of array object. Also we will see the example related to the array object. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.